What up, Travis?
Hey!
What do you think about this this little job site?
It's pretty chill. The only thing I've had to deal with today is a bumblebee.
You did
I got rid of him quick.
You kind of, well, I won't say what you did, but it wasn't very tough.
I shrieked a little bit.
It wasn't very tough.
I'm not ashamed of that.
I'm super stoked about today because we are actually building a super cool 25-foot pondless water feature around my old stomping ground. So we're in Madison, Tennessee today. We're gonna put in a 25-foot pondless water feature, disappearing waterfall right through here.
What's cracking, gang? Travis with you. Beautiful Monday afternoon. Got halfway up our first stream. Got our basin all rocked in. So yeah, we'll come up through here. End up here at the headwaters. Got rained out on our day 2, but check this out. Anthony and I pulled the liner back, built it up a little bit on that back edge, and just made a secret side stream over here. The cool thing about this water feature is it is a pondless, but I put a gorge deep basin in it, so you can literally have as much water in here as you want up to about this level. Just 2 separate rocks, but it comes over where I foamed it just enough over this guy that it falls back down. Just a nice little meandering straight stream right here. But you got just a nice little variance from the cleft and the horsetail, and it's just a nice, gentle little flow here. And another little mini horsetail up top. Which brings us up to the very tip top. It's a little different than I normally do them. Comes out off of this and gives you a little riparian habitat for butterflies, birds, whatever want to come drink.
Travis, I'm gonna say this is probably the nicest one that you've ever built.
Well, thank you. I'm pretty proud of it.
Nice work.
Thank you.
What do you think, man?
I love it. I think the boss is gonna love it when she gets
More
home.
Importantly, we want the boss to love
No,
it.
but I sent her a picture, and her quote, the quote was, "I love it. It needs plants."
Excellent.
And so she said, "Just tell them we'll be there Saturday."
Excellent.
So
that's the best compliment you can get.
had an idea in my head of what I thought it would look like, you know, I think it's amazing. I can't. I mean, I've watched it the entire time, taking pictures throughout the process of the guys working.
Shoot, he helped.
And
he moved dirt today.
And it was just amazing, honestly.
Thank you guys for joining in with us, and definitely thanks to Devin and Denise for inviting us to do this great project. So watch for the next one, guys. We're coming soon. All right, later.